Photoshop can do a lot, but it doesn't know how you work. FlexBar does. Configure your own custom plugin with the functions you need in your daily workflow. Create as many pages as you like, access them directly from the home screen, or flip through them with these two buttons. Use Tools, Tool Presets, Menu Functions, Brushes, Actions, Scripts, Fonts, and our own features. To edit the current page, you can use this button to open the dialog window. For example, if you want Select Subject as the first button on the page, create a new element via the menu button and choose Button. Scroll down to the Select section and pick Select Subject. Type in your preferred text. It updates instantly in the plugin. Enable this checkbox to stretch the button to the available width. This button always takes you back to the home screen. In the footer, you can also position the buttons you always want to have at your fingertips. Use Context Mode to let FlexBar pages switch automatically, for example when changing tools, layers, or content. Of course, it also works with shortcuts. Now I switch to the Move tool with V. If you don't want the plugin to stay open all the time, you can activate Power Mode in the settings, which enables it in the context area, and you can decide whether the plugin should show or hide when the corresponding action is triggered. Now the plugin opens or closes and switches directly to the page you defined. Our initial idea was to position the plugin at the bottom of the screen, but FlexBar is as flexible as the different workflows in Photoshop. So here are a few inspirations for how you can design FlexBar in your way. Try FlexBar free for 10 days and see for yourself how much this plugin simplifies your daily work.